At all those backs.
Here we go. Good morning from Charleston. We can't believe we're back. I'm super excited to be here. You can see Leah behind me. We're gonna be putting her in the water here in just a minute. Now they're setting up the crane and throwing her in. It's always scary to see Leah fly. So last year when we put her in, we can't hook to the places that the outremer tells us to straps to because the mast is a little bit too high. So I had to call outremer, whole thing, and move everything back to the next bulkheads. It's always scary. Batteries were dead, impellers are plugged or something. We can't get water to come through the motor, so we'll see what's going on. And we are off. So nice, the wind just blew us off. With the dagger boards at deck level, it's amazing how much better control you have with the boat, especially around the dock. And when we have it level, it's almost the same as the rudders as well, so it's nice.
So pretty.
So we're just moving the boat over to Charleston Safe Harbor Marina, City Marina. Our T-wall is here. We got the mainsail on, we got the boat in the water, we've got the engines working. We put upgraded alternators that we'll talk about. The fan on them's a little loose, so we gotta take care of that tomorrow, and they're not functioning like they should. So we'll pluck through that. So grateful for North Sails, Irvin up here in Charleston. If you need North Sails, he's your guy. Seriously, if you have any questions about North Sails or anything about sails, Irvin at North Sails, he's just incredible. He's been so kind to us, but he just came, Will Bomer, to help us put on the mainsail. We got that all taken care of. So thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll keep you posted next week on the upcoming days and getting everything finished up and back on the water. Thanks for hanging out with us. Have a good one.